The complete meta ads tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about meta ads and I'm going to be telling you how you can get started. So let's get into it. So as you can see, I'm on the website business.meta.com, and we can get started by clicking on start now over here. You have to have a Facebook account. If you don't have one, you can create it. You will need to create a Facebook page. You can see right here, it says right there, create a page. That page is going to be our foundation. So let's get into it. So I think I'm already signed up, so I'm just simply going to click on get started now, and it'll take me to facebook.business, right? To the ad center right here. There we go. Now here we can go ahead and get started. You can see I'm already logged in. We just have to click on the create an ad button or start now. It'll directly take us to the ads manager and we should be good to go. So here you can see, go to the ads manager, click on it. It'll take you to the ads manager where you can go ahead and create your ad. Right. So here we go. This is going to be your ad center, and here you can create your campaign. Right, to create a campaign, you just simply click on the create button over here, click on it, and then you choose what you want. So you have to choose the buying time. You basically have to choose an objective. So is there, it's awareness, traffic, engagement, lead, or app promotions, or even sales. Totally depends on you. Each one is going to have different options, but they mostly work the same. So if it's leads, you'll have good for instant forms, messages, websites, and stuff like that. If you want traffic, it's good for clicks, landing page views, and Instagram profiles, right? And if you want awareness, it's better for video views, reach, brand awareness. Sales is, of course, for conversions and catalogs and stuff like that. So select the option you want. So let's say we want leads, or actually, we'll go for traffic, right? Because we want like views, website views, send people to a certain destination, such as a website and app. So we're going to go with that, and we're going to click on continue. Then we could go with manual traffic options, or we could go with the recommended settings. It's pretty simple. They use AI to go ahead and put everything in place for you. You can, of course, go ahead and change stuff for yourself, but totally depends on you. If you want more control, go with this one. If you want like quick and easy one, and then you can go ahead and work around it, go with this one. Both work pretty good. So we're going to continue with the recommended settings. Click on continue. So here we go. So first we need to go ahead and, set up everything. We need to set up our campaign. Then we need to create the ad set and stuff like that. So first, let's go ahead and set up the campaign name over here. You can go ahead and name it whatever you want. And then you have your budget. Go ahead and set up a budget. You can go with a campaign budget or an ad set budget. It totally depends on you. Turn on A/B testing if as well. And once you've done that, you should be good to go, right? If your ad, applies for a special category, like for example, housing or employment or financial products or social issues, then great. If not, leave it as it is. And here you will also see a campaign score. So your campaign has room to improve. So let's go ahead and click on next and see what we can improve. Next, we have the ad set, and this is the conversion over here. Since we want the conversion to a website, you can even go with an app or messenger or call, whatever. But since we want it to come to a certain website, we'll go with website. And then over here, you can go ahead and select the performance goal. I think that's okay. Then you have the cost per goal. This is optional. Then you have attributions, and you have budget and scheduling. So here you can set your own budget, your own schedule, and you can also go ahead and set your audience control over here, and you have your location down below. So you can set multiple different locations. So for example, if we were to go ahead and click over here, and let's say we drop a pin in North America, what about we go into Kansas City? Then in Kansas City, we can see right here, we have the entire radius. We can move it around as well, but I think this is okay. We got Kansas City, Liberty, Independence a little bit. And yeah, I think this looks good. We can see that our audience definition is on the broader side. That's fine. We can add some more audience suggestions over here. By clicking over here, we can add a pretty detailed demographic. So we can add ages, we can add genders, we can add specific interests and hobbies, and we can create like our whole audience. And then over here we have placements, basically where you can go ahead and where the ad would show up in certain areas. Like for example, if you're scrolling on TikTok, for example, if you're scrolling on Instagram, where would the ad come into place? Whether in reels, whether it's messenger, Facebook, those types of placements. And you could also get a 20% lower cost by clicking on the apply now button. Okay, so it'll update your performance goals and stuff like that. Boom. It used AI to go ahead and maximize and optimize our ad, and now we have a campaign score of 100. So it's a little bit better. So yeah, placements looks good. You can add your own placements if not. Then we just simply hit the next button. Finally, we have the ad creative. Now, in the ad creative, you basically create your ad, right? So you set your ad name over here. If you have a partnership ad, turn it on. If not, leave it off. You have your identity, so select the Facebook page and the Instagram account that you want to, show your ad to it. You can connect it by clicking on this button over here. You have your ad set up over here. Click on create ad, and then here you have your destination. So just put in the website link over here, and then you can also add like a display link over here. And here are the browser add-ons. So if people want to have like a call or an instant form suggestion, stuff like that, you can turn it on. If not, leave it off. And then we have ad creative over here. So set up your ad creative over here. Basically upload the ad image or video that you have created that you want people to show up there. And then you can go ahead and test your creatives over here. So you can compare up to 5 different versions of your creative, see which one works better, and move on, right? And then you have tracking, and then you can set up your analytics and set up your pixels so that you can track your website analytics. And once you've done everything, all you got to do is just select the ad preview over here, view your ad over here, or click on publish button down below. And once you've published it, your ad will be live and people can go ahead and see it. So here, paste the link of the website. And again, upload your creative by clicking on the creative button over here. So let's say we want to upload a video. Select the video. Here you basically select and upload your creative. So here you have your media, right? So no videos match found. That's fine because we haven't updated it yet. But here you upload the source image, the source URL. You have your extension over here. If you want, you can turn on site links and stuff like that. You have URL over here. You can upload a thumbnail over here, and you have products if currently turned off, but you can add like a whole catalog over here by just simply selecting it. Currently my catalog is inactive, so I can't select that, but that's fine. Then you have media. Here you can find videos that you have, video URL over here, pages over here. All the videos that you have uploaded onto your page are going to be available over here, right? And all of the videos that you have uploaded on your account are going to be available over here. If you want to upload it, click on the upload button, boom, upload your content. Then you can go ahead and trim and crop it, edit it out within this section as well. You can add text to it, add enhancements, and click on next, and your creative will be ready to publish. And it's as simple as that. So that's how you can set up meta ads. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.